Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to bookmark multiple tabs in Safari on iPhone. If you often find yourself with too many tabs open in Safari on your iPhone, you are not alone. While you can always close them all to tidy things up, that's not ideal if you are still using them for research or planning something like a trip. Instead of bookmarking each tab individually, Safari offers a pretty quick way to save all your open tabs at once. That's it. Let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch Safari on your iPhone. Then you have to open one of your tabs. After that you have to tap and hold the bookmark icon, aka the open book symbol in the main browser window. After that, a menu will appear, giving you option to add bookmarks for X tabs, where X is the number of tabs currently open. And once you tap this option, you can save all your tabs into a new bookmark folder and choose where you want that folder to be stored. It's worth pointing out that later, if you ever want to access your saved tabs later, just tap on the bookmarks icon again from the Safari interface and navigate to the folder you created. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily bookmark multiple Safari tabs on your iPhone. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.